yeah. So I think it was. Oh, I think we left off here. Boom, boom. Big text again.
Yay.
Do I need to warm up? Yes. Next. I'm kidding. Sorry. Are you in a good place for singing? That's my question.
Mm-hmm.
Right? When someone's like, hey, do I need to warm up? How much do I need to warm up? Blah, blah, blah. The reason why we warm up as singers is less for blood flow, like you would as an athlete, but more so to carve a path of right singing. Okay? And so if you're already in a good place for singing, your voice is feeling good, you've got good momentum, everything else, awesome. You probably don't need much of a warm up. A lot of times I'll do me, the beginning of the day, if I don't have a long day, bad voice teacher, I don't necessarily always warm up. Sometimes I'll do maybe 5 minutes worth of something or other. If things, I do 3 or 4 scales and things feel good and I'm feeling kind of balanced, I switch over, add a lot of range to it, everything else, everything feels good, I'm done. But if you don't feel like you're in a good space, you ideally, if you know how to use it, It's a tool. But otherwise, that would be my answer.
Nice.
Yeah. Anything to add?
Yeah, I think, the warm-up thing, it is less for blood flow, which I think is what people just anticipate. It's, they think that you have to
It's
just,
like a
again,
warm-up. It's like
repeat.
an exercise thing.
Yeah. It's
you're
like
working out or something.
okay, I can repeat these scales and now I'm warmed up. It's really about what are you trying to achieve with your voice.
Right.
So, if I have a student who has an audition coming up and it's a pretty head voice soprano song, I'm going to do very different warm-ups for that than if they have a belting song they want to do. There was this one singer who, I think she was an opera singer. We met at a conference and she said that she can sing a high C without warming up any day of the week, but she can't sing a high C well without warming up. And so it's not about, I need to make sure that I warm up my range and all this other stuff. It's no, can you do it in the way that you want to?
Right.
And I think that's the thing with warming up is the how and the why, not necessarily the do I need to or not.
The act itself.
Yeah.
It's kind of like practicing. If you're doing it mindlessly, it's not helping you.
Yeah.